Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain to connect smart TV with Wi-Fi camera for live footage. This is the easiest process and you can do it by yourself. Let's start. Download the security camera app on your smart TV. Then log into the app and select the camera to view the live feed. If you have Tapo, Wise, Nest, Arlo and other top brands, which have their app on smart TV, then only you can do this. Otherwise install the TinyCam Monitor Pro app on your Android smart TV. This app is designed for Android TV to view multiple IP cameras at once. It supports many brands and allows for multi-camera layouts. If you have an IP camera, then install VLC on your Android TV. Here, you need to go to Streams and input the camera's RTSP URL for a direct feed. To get an RTSP URL from an IP camera, you need to check the user manual, use specialized discovery software like OnVIF Device Manager, or use search tools like ISPConnect's camera database. If you are facing any issue to connect your smart TV with Wi-Fi camera for live footage, or you need our technical assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.